Hello everyone. In this particular video, I'm going to talk about the answers given by the king Pravana Jaivali to Gautama, the father of Swetaketu. This is a video which is a continuation for Chandogya Upanishad. If you want to know what are the questions the king asked before to Swetaketu, you have to go back to video 1. Now, this Brahmin is there in the king's place to understand the answers from the king. And before we proceed, let me clearly say that this video is related to Hinduism and people who believe in Hinduism. So if you are not a person who is interested to know about this, then you don't have to watch this video anymore. King Pravana Jaivali is now going to answer to Gautama, the dad of Swetaketu. What are the answers he is going to give? Purely it is about this panchagni vidya. Vidya means knowledge. Panch means five. Agni means fire. The five fires, the knowledge of five fires he is going to say. This is just a small part in the Chandogya Upanishad which talks about how a baby is being born. Why not everyone gets a baby? What is the problem there? How does the universe works? What is the secret, hidden secret? All those things is being explained in this particular section. I asked people to do some bit of homework to go through this Panchagni Vidya. I don't know how many people went through, but here is the answers. The five fires which the king is talking about. First is the heavens or universe. The second one is atmosphere, wind, cloud, rain, all these things. The third one is land, earth. The fourth one is men, or I can't say men, it's male. And the fifth one is female. These are the five fires the king is trying to explain, and he is trying to explain the connectivity, how each one is connected. And that's why people say that nothing is yours, nothing is mine. Everything belongs to everyone, and also you are not different from me, we both are same. And let us see this technique, how it is explained in Chandogya Upanishad. The first thing, the first fire is meant to be, this particular Panchagni Vidya is talking about imagine that you are doing a sacrifice for some god. Let us say you are calling something like you build up a fire and then you try to pour something in the fire by telling some god's name like Indraya Swaha, Suryaya Swaha. What does that mean is you are invoking that particular god, meaning you are calling the attention, you are trying to get the attention of that particular god, and you are giving something, pouring something on the fire. It's called oblation. When we do yajna, you can see a big fire will be there. People will be putting a lot of things in that fire, like food they will put. They will put even money, coins, and they will put even jewels. and they put lot of other things like ghee and other things by calling or getting the attention of that particular god. Same way, how the birth of a baby is created is gods who are seated there in universe, heaven, they first trigger a particular soul to be sent to sun. Actually, the soul which is in a unidentified form that is there, and gods decide and send it to a particular place. Sun is the fire where the soul is being immersed. The soul is sent there. And then what happens? Once the soul is there, sun, because of his effects, he creates with the help of atmosphere like wind, cloud, everything, he creates rain. There are around 300 rays in the sun which helps to get rain to the earth. Sun is the driving factor for rain. There are 300 special rays in the sun which makes a particular region to rain. And what happens is that sun, what happens, he puts that atma through the rain. And rain now is poured into a fire called earth. So our earth receives the rain, and then what happens? In the earth, because of rain, it has to grow. The food grains are grown. And during that time, what happens is the soul, the Atman, which is sent from heaven, will come and settle down in these food grains. It will be deposited. No one has the control where it gets deposited other than the supreme power. And the earth now is a fire, and this rain is being poured in that soma. We call soma, and that is gone into the earth. And because of earth is now able to produce food, humans, we go and eat the food. We go collect all these things and eat. And the person who has eaten the food grains which have these settlements, the souls, not every grain will have a soul. These are all microorganism organism techniques. It is hidden somewhere. No one knows how it works, and we can't see with our naked eye. We can't see with anything, and that's why I think in Quran as well it is written. In every grain, it is written who will eat that food. Yes, so the soul will be settling down into we are the we are the food the male takes, and then the male, once he get united to a female, the soul gets passed there and becomes a baby. So now you all tell me, is a baby born by itself? There are lot of factors like universe has to help the heaven, they have to trigger that particular thing, and then it is felt in the lower space, and then it gets transformed via rain, it comes settle down in the earth, and then a male. This is not just for humans, it is for every living organism. The male takes that food, and then when he gets united to a female, this particular soul gets transformed there, and based on its previous karma, it is being born. This is the core message of Chandogya Upanishad regarding the five fires, which is the panchagni vidya. If you keep reading about this, it is more complex. I try to simplify things and I have given it here. I am going to extend this video, though I have given the answer, how these five things works in an elaborated way, which may be in the next video. That's all I wanted to say in this particular video. Please do take care.